Okay, content standards for today. We're getting prepared to prove theorems about lines and angles. And we're going to be able to construct viable arguments and critique the reasoning of the others by using proofs. So last lesson we used postulates about points, lines, and planes to write paragraph proofs. And now we're going to use algebra to write two-column proofs. And we're going to use properties of equality to write geometric proofs. We have just 3 words for our new vocabulary: algebraic proof, two-column proof, and formal proof. So a two-column proof is known as a formal proof. Algebra is a system with sets of numbers and operations and properties that allow you to perform algebraic expressions. Here are several of the properties of real numbers that I want you to add to your properties page so that you'll have available when you're writing proofs. So pause the video for a little bit and get that done, and then restart and we'll go on into algebraic proofs. Okay, an algebraic proof is a proof that is made up of a series of algebraic statements. So we are going to justify each step while we're solving this equation. So first of all, we have the algebraic steps, what we're going to use to break down our solution, and then what properties say that we can do that step. So first of all, we're going to write the original equation. So just like in our paragraph proof, this is what is given. We use the distributive property. We're distributing the 2 across this set of parentheses and the 4 across this set of parentheses. Then we're going to add together like terms. We're combining like terms. So a negative 6a and a negative 4a gives us a negative 10a, and 10 minus 28 gives us a negative 18. But it's the substitution property that tells us that we can substitute the negative 10a for the negative 6a minus 4a. Now we know to solve for a, we're going to need to add 18 to both sides. So whatever we do to one side, we do to the other. That is the addition property. That leaves us with negative 10a is equal to 110. So when we do add the 18 to each side, we can substitute in what our new numbers are. Negative 10a equals 110. We're going to divide both sides by negative 10. The division property says we can do that. And whatever we do to one side, we're doing to the other. A is equal to negative 11. So we substitute a negative 11 in for this statement right here. So our answer is A is equal to negative 11. Notice we have a step-by-step process on the left and then the reason for each statement on the right. So let's check your progress. I want you to solve this equation, pause the video, then come back in a little bit and select your answer. Very good. Did you get A is equal to 7? So if you didn't, check with me when we get back to class next time and I can help work that problem for you. This one's a little difficult to explain just verbally. Okay, example 2. Now we're going to write an algebraic proof. If the distance d an object travels is given by the equation d is equal to 20t plus 5, the time t that the object travels is given by t is equal to d minus 5 divided by 20. So in essence, we're just taking this equation and we're solving for t. We're to write a two-column proof to verify this conjecture. Okay, so we're going to begin by stating what is given and what we are to prove. So given, d is equal to 20t plus 5. We're to prove that t is equal to d minus 5 divided by 20. So on a two-column proof, and this is the type of proof we'll use most often. This is the type normally when you think of proof that you see, but I'm exposing you to other different types of proofs as we go over time so that you will be familiar. They won't be a total surprise to you if you see them somewhere. So we're going to begin by write what is given. So statement 1 has this reason. Okay, that's what is given. Next, we're going to use the addition property of equality. Now, even though we're subtracting 5 from both sides, we're adding a negative 5 in essence. And then division property of equality, we're dividing both sides by 20. You're going to use this a lot because see here we move the 20 over this direction, but we need to solve for t is equal to d minus 5 over 20. And the symmetric property tells us that we can flip this around. They're equal to each other. Okay, check your progress. So you need to pause the video, read this, and then determine which of the following statements would complete the proof of this conjecture. So I want you to write down what is given here, and then I'm going to go over to the next page so that you can pause there and choose your answer. Okay, so we have a two-column proof. What is the statement that would be right here? Good. Did you get 2a is equal to the quantity of b sub 1 plus b sub 2 times h? What we did is we multiplied both sides by 2 to get rid of that fraction that we had. So good job. Now we're going to write a geometric proof. Since geometry also uses variables, numbers, and operations, and many of their properties of equality used in algebra are also true in geometry. Now something I want you to make a note of and make sure you have under your properties section, you need to have the commutative and the associative property for addition and multiplication listed in your properties. That will help you. So we're given that angle A is congruent to angle B. We're also given that the measurement of angle B is equal to 2 times the measurement of angle C, and we're given that the measurement of angle C is equal to 45. We are to prove that the measurement of angle A is equal to 90. Okay, so let's dig in and get started. Statements and reasons. So this is what we were given. We were given quite a bit to start with. Isn't that nice? Now, definition of congruent angles. If they're congruent, we can state that their measurements are equal. So how could we say that the measurement of angle A is equal to 2 times the measurement of angle C? Well, notice if A is equal to B, if measurement of A is equal to the measurement of angle B, and the measurement of angle B is equal to 2 times the measure of angle C, see both of these are equal to B, measurement of angle B, so we can state that they're equal to each other. The transitive property of equality. Now we're going to substitute in because we know the measurement of angle C is 45, so all we have to do is the math. So now we have that the measurement of angle A is equal to 90 by substitution. We're going to use that reason of substitution a lot. Whenever we can do some mathematics and combine like terms or do multiplication, we can substitute in a different answer or the solution for 2 times 45. Time to check your progress. We are told that segment AB is congruent to segment CD. We are also told that segment CD is congruent to segment RS. And we're told that AB is equal to 12. So then we're to prove that RS is equal to 12. So which reason completes the proof of this conjecture? What reason can you give here? So pause for a moment and think through that, and then you can come back and give me your answer. Did you say transitive property? Excellent job. All right, you're ready to begin the exercises.